Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need the right prerequisites before fixing the Visual Studio not installed error. First, run Visual Studio Installer and add the desktop development with C++ workload. This provides MS Build and compiler's Flutter needs. Once done, make sure Flutter SDK is installed and on your path so Flutter Doctor can detect it. Also confirm Android Studio and Android SDK are present. They are often required for toolchain checks. These steps address the most common detection gaps early on. Next, run Flutter Doctor V and read the output carefully. It tells you exactly what Flutter cannot find. If Visual Studio is still missing, use vsware. exe to list installed instances and their paths, then set vsinstalldir or add the correct MS build path to your path so Flutter can locate it. You may also launch the Visual Studio Developer command prompt to ensure command line tools are available. These steps connect the detected tools to Flutter's expectations. Finally, restart your terminal or reboot so environment changes take effect, then run Flutter Doctor again to confirm Visual Studio is detected. Make sure MS Build and CL exe resolve on the command line. If they do, Flutter will stop complaining. If detection still fails, open Visual Studio Installer and run repair or re-add the C++ workload, because corrupted installs are a common culprit. One troubleshooting tip: temporarily install the latest minor VS update and run vsware to refresh discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.